You will be amazed by this 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.